this right here. But you knew that, right?
Yeah. That, and I used to pet her little bridge of her nose. The little teeny tiny little, yeah, that, like, I don't even know, like, it's just so soft right there. And then the very tip of her butt right before her tail.
Right now, when you do that, her butt comes up in the air just like that.
I know, she loves it. She's like, ah. Grayson's growling over there. Aw, she looks so cute. Cleo!
Who's that, Cleo?
Cleo! Her eyes are still really green.
Oh, yeah. She's pretty.
Yeah, she is.
Look how high up she is.
Oh my gosh. That's
It's
awesome.
actually 3 feet, but at my chair. I mean, I look where I am. I'm sitting in my computer. I can reach right out and touch her.
That's awesome. Well, I'm glad she's getting spoiled as an older lady. She's like, I came for a visit. She's so cute.